Hi Year 6, welcome back after half term. So this is your first lesson on spellings. It's Monday the 22nd of February. So today you're going to look at unscrambling your spellings and cracking the code. But before that, I'm going to start off with our quick spell. Now, you know I love a good joke. So I'll start you off, put you in a good frame of mind. Are you ready for this joke? What did the sink say to the toilet? You're looking a bit flushed there, mate. Do you get it? I get it. I think it's funny. Okay, I'm going to start off with your quick spell. Your words this week have the shul sound. Okay, so think about how you're going to spell it. C-I-A-L or T-I-A-L. Okay, word number 1 is potential. Jeff was working really hard and was showing his true potential. The word is potential. Word number 2, substantial. You need to have a substantial meal for your breakfast to engage your brain and get you through the morning. The word is substantial. And number 3, the word is influential. Joe Biden is an influential member of the government in America. Influential. Okay, once you've done that, I'm now going to explain today's spelling for you. Okay, so your spellings this week, they focus on the ibble sound. Okay, just ibble. Now we're looking often your words, they're easily confused with ibble and abble, so we're just going to look at ibble for 1 week. Now generally ibble words don't usually have an identifiable root word, okay? As in, if you look at horrible, if you split it up into its root word and its suffix ibble, hor, as in H-O-R-R, is not a word, an identifiable English root word, okay? So you might be thinking of some other words now that follow that pattern. However, as always, in the English language, there are always the exceptions to the rules, okay? So these are your spellings today. I'm going to read them out, and as I'm reading them, can you identify an English root word, or is there not one? So we've got reversible, incredible, possible, horrible, terrible, responsible, legible, forcible, sensible, and visible. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is to put these spellings into the correct columns. It doesn't have an identifiable root word, or it does. So like before on here we had horrible as the example on the slide before, because the root word doesn't make sense on its own. Now have a quick look. Can you find one on your list that the root word does make sense on its own? So I'm hoping most of you spotted the first one, reversible. Okay, the root word of reversible is reverse. So if you split it up, yes, you've dropped your E, which tends to happen, but it does make sense on its own. Okay, so your first job is to sort your spellings into doesn't have an identifiable English root word or does. Okay, once you've done that, I've got a little challenge for you. Now you've scrambled up your spellings, so I want you to unscramble them and then find the code letter. Okay, each unscrambled spelling, if spelled correctly, will give you, if you go to the 7th letter, that will give you a code for a hidden word. So if you took the first one, I'm looking at it, right, it's got 2 R's in it, so it could be terrible. It's not going to be terrible because it's got H-R, it's horrible. Okay, horrible. Now it says 7th letter, so go to the 7th letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's an L. So my code letter for horrible is L. Okay. Once you've unscrambled them all and found the code letter for each word, it will spell a hidden word that follows the same spelling pattern that you're looking at, but it's not one of your spellings. And just to make it even harder, it's not in order. Okay, so L is not the first letter of your hidden word. Okay, hope you enjoy doing those activities, guys.